Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at Thule's classic ski and snowboard carrier. This product will carry up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards, and locks are included to keep your gear secure. This carrier will fit most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and everything you'll need to install it on your vehicle is included. To begin installation, place the carrier on your crossbars. Drop the supplied bolts through the top of the mount and place the bottom half of the mount under your crossbar. Then, begin threading the bolts into the mount to hold it in place. Tighten the bolts fully with a Torx tool included with the carrier. To load your gear, open the carrier and place your skis or snowboards in your desired configuration. Then, close the carrier, and if you choose, lock it up with the keys included with the unit. And with that, you're good to go. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule ski and snowboard carrier. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.